Hello, ni hao. This is me again on my first ski trip in Beijing, China. On the background, obviously, you can see the bird's nest, the venue for the 2008 Olympics. So I'm having a lot of fun, and I want you guys to. Oh, that's a torch over there, as you can see. So we are at the Olympic Stadium at the moment, Olympic Complex, however they call it. So yeah, I hope you have fun watching me as I have fun doing this. Shall we go now? Are you sure? Alright. That's a broadcast center. That's where they broadcast the games in the Olympics. It's pretty high. Snow over here. White snow, white Christmas. Everything you see. People skating. And the person holding the camera is none other than my brother Chinchi. Chinchi, say hi to the camera.
Hello everyone, I'm the host here. So welcome to Beijing. Welcome to my brother.
Alright. Cheers, peace out.